Good evening. You might have noticed I'm already wearing my pajama. I was about to go to bed, but I remember soaking rice for our recipe for tomorrow. Let's just cover it with aluminum foil and we can go to sleep. Good night, see you tomorrow.
You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen.
Good afternoon, welcome to our small kitchen here in Holland. Your uncle and Kuya here. Today we'll be cooking kakanin, my favorite kakanin as a kid, and until now, Puto. We'll be cooking, we'll be doing this the traditional way. We will not be using flour, but we will be using rice. Entire rice grains. Here are our ingredients, just 3 of them even, very simple. Rice, which I already soaked last night. It has to soak overnight, not just to soften the rice, but to activate the bacteria. You need it for fermentation. 1 cup sugar, by the way, this is 2 cups rice, and 2 tablespoons of baking soda or baking powder. It's baking powder, by the way. And we have special equipment needed. We need molds. I have here a non-stick silicone, which I used last year. The rest are there being sterilized. I might as well sterilize this. And a steamer. I bought this from the Asian store. You can also buy this in your market, in your town market, for our friends in the Philippines. And it should fit your whatever boiler you have. First, we will grind the rice. First, let's strain the rice. We need the liquid for later. Traditionally, we will be spending the night milling. I remember this task or this kakanin making, puto making when we were in grade 5. We had to spend the night really at the classmate's house to make this. But fortunately, we have technology now. We can simply use this blender. We need this. The feet should be sharp enough to grind the rice grains. I'm curious whether this rice works. It's white rice, but it's not the rice that we know in the Philippines. The C4, this is from Turkey. I know it works. We need some of the water. Yeah. Cover it. And turn. We have to blend it until it's even, soft and fine. Let's check. Not yet. Perhaps 10 minutes. Not yet. Still very grainy. I'll just run this and leave it because it's really noisy. That was almost 10 minutes. My machine really got warm. Let's check. Super fine, really. It's really fine. No, I've never felt, let's say, a Puto mixture as fine as this. This will be, this will be monumental. Well, at least that's my hope. This will be a breakthrough. Romelo. I can use a bowl to mix it, but I'm lazy. So we'll use this to mix the other ingredients. It's just the sugar and the baking powder. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of this. I'm suspicious. I'm suspicious. I think 1 cup should have been enough. Where's the lid? Where's the lid? It's at the back of the camera. And we have to leave this for 4 hours to allow it to ferment. Now you understand why we had to spend the entire night preparing this. It has to rest. It has to ferment. I will have to see you later. This has fermented for, as the tradition requires, for at least 4 hours. I don't know if higher temperature would accelerate it, but it's just 21 degrees inside. I hope it's sufficient. And I'm gonna reuse this pitcher because it has a spout. Is that a spout? There should be a better word for that. Spout? Yeah.
Spout.
Huh?
Spout.
Here, I'm gonna use this big casserole for steaming. So let's fill our cups or our molds with the mixture. Approximately just 3/4. This should be good. Let's put it here. 20 minutes, around 20 minutes. Let's just wait and test one piece after 20 minutes. And next task will be to clean the kitchen. What a disaster. Good. I'm sure just this, or our puto is ready. Look at that. Yeah, it's better to, I don't know how, but to remove the steamer. And the puto. Oh, this is really hot. What a mishap. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. I'm wrong. Yeah, it's good. Cooking is fun, really. Kakanin or puto. Thank you for watching. This is our Puto. Our Puto from the homeland. Simple recipe, just 3 ingredients made the traditional way. Thank you for joining your Kuya today, and I hope to have you again next time as we showcase more of the recipes from the homeland. At the same time, expose our palasang Pinoy or palate to international dishes. Until next time, what do you want to see more? Tell me. And don't forget to subscribe and to share. Diyos Tagmati. Different rice, different texture. It's on the heavy side. Really chewy.